Greetings, everyone. I wanted to take a moment to talk about the empirical rule. So we've been taking a look at a normal distribution. Empirical rule really is one that I a lot of times refer to as the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. As an example, I'm going to use a simple question here that says a local diner calculated his average daily sales. So this is his average sales daily was around $4,500. And it had a standard deviation of $750. Now, when we talk then about the empirical rule, it helps us answer some very simple questions. 68% of the daily sales are going to fall between what two values, right? And that is the first standard deviation. So 68 is I would say 1 sigma. It's 1 sigma difference. So 68 ends up being from here to here. And a single sigma difference is going to be $750. So it's just a matter of adding $750 and saying, well, I've got 5,250, as well as subtracting $750 and saying 3,750. So those are the two values, 3750 and 5250, right? Because it is 1 standard deviation above and below. The 95% rule is 2 sigmas, so 2 standard deviations. So I would add another $750, always adding the same standard deviation. That would get me out, in this case, to 6,000, and I would subtract $750, 3,000. So 95% of the days that this diner operates, they are going to make somewhere between $3,000 and $6,000, right? The 99.7, this is almost all of them. 99.7 is 3 sigma. So now we are going all the way out to that third standard deviation. Notice that when we look at this normal distribution, this is almost the entire thing. So 99.7 is going to fall between 2,250. Once again, I subtracted 750, and I'll add 750 to go to 6,750. That is the empirical rule. Remembering that the empirical rule really only gets used when we are talking about a normal bell-shaped distribution. All right. If we're not talking about a normal bell-shaped distribution, we will talk about another rule that you could use to approximate really kind of the endpoints for this in another video.